Struggling to find experienced Python devs? Tired of complex hiring processes and high development costs? We are here to help you. Pynest is a team of 200 in-house Python developers specializing in backend, data engineering, machine learning, AQA, and full-stack development. We are deeply focused on the Python stack, which is why we deliver top expertise and custom solutions that drive success. In just 3 years, we've worked with over 250 clients.
Pynest made an excellent job.
Impressive work. Well done.
We were really happy to collaborate with you guys.
Across 20 industries, including finance, insurance, e-commerce, healthcare, Web3, and more. We've earned top awards and rankings, competing with the best in the industry. Whether you need 1, 2, 3, or even a full team, we've got you covered in just 2 days. Save up to 40% on the development costs compared to your regular devs. No more endless interviews and prolonged onboarding processes. With Pynest, you'll get the CV of a high-qualified developer for your request within minutes, and only pay for what you need for as long as you need it. We are so confident in the expertise of our devs, which is why we guarantee results. If within the first 30 days you are not satisfied with the performance, you don't pay anything. Looking for high-quality Python development services? Leave a request on our website and receive the developer's CV perfectly matched to your requirements. Perform your project with Pynest.